Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to use the dense rank function. So in the last video, we talked about the rank. Dense rank will avoid gap in the ranks. So the dense rank function works the same way how rank function works. So previously we saw how the rank function worked. So it uses the over class. We call that as a windowing class, performs sorting, then applies the ranking function. Dense rank. In dense rank, there will not be any gap while applying the rank. Previously, we saw when there are two rows ranked as 1, 1, the third row starts with a rank number 3 and not 2. But in case of dense rank, we will not see a gap. We will see 1, 1 and the second rank will be applied as 2. So you have to simply change the ranking function name here. Select instead of rank, we are using the dense rank. Dense means there will not be any gap. The ranking will be applied continuously. And here in this example, you can see the same top 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7 rows are taken, and if you see here rank is given as 1 and for second one also 1 because they hold the same net sales. Then rank 2 is given for the second rank. Why? Because the net sales value here is 10540, right? The third one is unique, so we gave that as the dense rank gave it as rank number 3 and rank number 4. And if you look at the rank here, this is continuously packed, so that's why we call it as dense ranking. Alright, so ranking function, it puts a gap 1, 1, then it started with 3, 3, 3. Since there are total 4, here we started it as 6, right, in case of ranking. But dense ranking will perform tightly packed ranking. So that's all here. Now we will execute the query and see how it works. So here, as usual, we have the sales in the script, and this time instead of applying the rank, we are using the dense rank, and you can see how the ranking is applied here. So it's a continuous ranking. Rank 1 is given for 2 records. Rank 2 is given for 3 records because of the same sales value. After that 3, 4, 5 and 6, if you see, since there are equal number of sales, we give rank number 6 for 3 records, 7 we give it for 2, then it is going continuously because of different value in the net sales, right? So this is how the ranking is applied here, and you can see the ranking goes and ends with 848. So just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.